A little maintenance goes a long way in making sure your outdoor space is always ready to enjoy. If you haven't used your deck or patio in a few months, now is a great time to inspect the boards, posts, and beams. Look for signs of damage to the planks, railings, and hardware. Replace as needed. How is the paint or stain on your deck looking? A fresh coat can make your outdoor space pop and help seal the wood. Cracked paint or old stain may need to be sanded off first, depending on the condition. Use a pressure washer on a low setting to clean patio furniture and the cushions. Let everything air dry. Furniture covers or storing cushions in a deck box will help keep them clean all season long. No backyard party is complete without firing up the grill. A few months of not using it can make it pretty gross. Scrape the grill grates, wipe down the outside, and clean or replace utensils. Now comes the fun part. Dress up your outdoor space with things like string lights, a new rug, a fire pit, and lots of plants. Grab pieces that incorporate some of the same colors and style elements as your home's interior to make your outdoor space feel like a true extension of your home. The best accessory, though, is the people you share the space with. At Lowe's, we have everything you need to make your outdoor space the place to be.